Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So today in this video we talking about the first Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. We talking about the Galaxy A81. The Note 10 Lite render show a different camera bump. With the Galaxy S11 series on the horizon, there are a couple of the other interesting Samsung devices showing up. We recently got the first look at the Galaxy S10 Lite, the Galaxy A91, after it was confirmed by an FCC listing. There was also a rumor about the Galaxy Note 10 Lite back in October, and now we are getting our first look at the device as well. Like the Galaxy S10 Lite A91, the device is also going by two names. One leaks has shared renders of device that could be called the Galaxy 81 or the Galaxy Note 10 Lite. There are only two renders of the device and not a lot of detail are visible. We can make out of a few key features, however. First and foremost, the camera arrangements look very similar to what we seen from the Galaxy S11 series and the Galaxy S10 Lite. According to the rumors from Aishan Agarwal, the square housing will continue, three cameras and a flash through. There is no word on MP sizes. Speaking of a camera, it seems to have a single centered hole punch camera on the front. The second implement feature we can see is the S Pen. We can see a 3.5mm headphone jack, speaker grills, and the S Pen docket in the bottom edge. The S Pen is obviously a big part of the what make a note, and having in the light model is a great. It will be useful for drawing on the 6.5 or 6.7 inch mostly flat display. There are many also be a fingerprint sensor underneath the display. There are not many other specifications to go on the right now. Some rogue rumors claim it will be powered by the 2018 Exynos 9810, which was in the Galaxy Note 9 series. That will be a definite step down from the flagship Galaxy Note 10, and a reason for the light name tag. It may also launch with 6GB of RAM on Android 10. Based on a leaked roadmap, the Galaxy A81 will have a 64MP main camera, 16MP ultra wide, and a telephoto camera 2x or 5x plus a time of flight TOF sensor. It is not clear how reliable this info is, however. Anyway, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite will feature a 6.5 to 6.7 inch screen. There is centered punch hole in the screen. Samsung preferred selfie camera placement. As for early this year, it's not confirmed, but the absence of external fingerprint reader suggests in display unit. The device measures 163.9 by 76 by 8.6mm. Unlike the S10 Lite, this model will house a Bluetooth-enabled S Pen, making it a part of the Note family. Based on the stylish, there is a 3.5mm headphone jack on the bottom. The phone SMN770F was spotted at the Geekbench, which showed an Exynos 9810 chipset, the chip from 2018 Galaxy Note 9 and S9. So the next generation Galaxy A phone are expected to be unveiled on December 12, and these premium model may be the star of the glow, joined by the Galaxy A51 and A71. So that's it for now. The Galaxy Note 10 Lite A81 will have a good device if it's come into the market. So I will update more about this device. So keep subscribing my channel for tech news. Enable the bell icon for latest video notification. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.